Here's a video of my HD2 not turning on. First of all, the battery is good. The contacts are good. Seems the pins are okay. So I'm gonna proceed to put the battery in right now. Okay, so the battery is in. Now, when I power this on, this is what happens. I get a slight vibration, but nothing else comes on. The screen just stays black, and nothing else happens. Now I'm gonna pull the battery again. And let me try to get into the bootloader. Volume down and power button. Absolutely nothing happens. So tell me, guys, is my HD2 break? Is it done?